6 in the morning, no? No traffic. Introduction to again. Mama, I don't know for in a good meal.
Good morning, my people. This is Vanet Services. We are here again. It's still very early in the morning. We are on site, guys. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. We've just arrived with my team here. They're uploading those solar panels. Guys, it's still very early. It's very early. 6 a.m. in the morning. We are uploading. You can see. My team here. Here they are uploading the panels. We are in Bondo. This is called Bondo. Bondo, which village is this?
Nyawita. So we are here. In Bondo.
Yeah, it's very cold here in Bondo.
6 a.m. in the morning.
Nyawita village.
So we are already from Kisumu.
Yeah, guys. I was still sleeping in the car.
She was still asleep in the car.
It's very early. It's very cold. But we have to do this because it's Call of Duty.
We have to service the clients as early as possible.
Kazi.
So we have the big 625 watts panels.
Yeah. Very huge panels.
These are very, very beautiful homes. People have got very, very beautiful homes in the village. Yes. Shika. Nyamwale.
Guys, these are the rails. We have very huge panels. Guys, it's 620 watts. They're very huge indeed. You can see 625 watts here. $625 watts, guys. It's a very huge panel. Very huge indeed. Ground music. So guys, this is the bedroom. And this is the inverter. This is our inverter here. Not much deal, guys. We are just fixing the handle of the bedroom to make it easier while we are holding it. hatuna ile screwdriver. Everyone at work today. But today we are installing our solar at Bondo. Yeah, it's called Bondo. Bondo village, a very cool village indeed. We are traveling all over the world. Watch all our videos to the end. Like, share. Don't just watch, subscribe. And you travel with us wherever we are going. So we have to make it tight. We are sure while holding this bit because it's just too heavy. Can't just hold it without the handle. Ensure zimeingia zote. Moja ikiingia ingine ikiingia itasumbua. Screw ile kidogo, it's just slippery. Zingine bado. Anasema hatujabeba hiyo skuru kubwa. There we go. the services, guys, we have very many services. We do solar power. Okay. We do CCTV cameras. We do alarms, Wi-Fi and network. So guys, you will reach us on our WhatsApp number +254 722 626 335. That's our WhatsApp number +254 722 626 335. I'm gonna give the number again at the end of the video, so watch our videos to the end, like, share and subscribe. Let's travel together. We can change the world, because with the solar there is no monthly charges. Once you've installed your solar, no monthly charges. And to our new subscribers, we've launched a system whereby if you want us to install your solar power, or you want our services, guys, we can negotiate. We've come up with this program, that is installment program. You pay 50%, then we install, then the remaining 50% we're gonna negotiate whether you're going to pay in 1 month's time, 2 months time, 3 months time. And that is a very good news to our subscribers, to our customers all over. Kindly reach out. Right now, we know everyone is undergoing a lot. You might in a need of doing solar or installing solar, but you don't have that 100% capital. So guys, you can do it in installments. With a surety, you're gonna pay the remaining 50% in less than 3 months. Less than 3 months. There we go. You can see our panels are very huge. Very huge. Our team. Okay. Can I help you? Oh, you're okay to go. One of our technicians is going up on top of the roof. You cannot tell me. Yeah, panels are going up now. You can see the size, they are very big. Very huge. See the size.
625.
625 watts. Let me show you. 625 watts, guys. 625 watts here. Just check here. $625 watts.
That's enough. So they're going up, right?
Yeah, they're going up. There we go. That's good. This way. Oh, yeah. There we go, guys. Our panels are now on top of the roof. You can see. Thank you. We have 4 big panels, each 625 watts, guys, and their collectors are very big. And we're gonna power this home today. They've been in blackout from March, guys. No Kenya Power, no solar, and today this home is gonna lit. It's good news to them, because with solar we only need a highlight, very strong sun, and the moment it starts charging, within 3 to 4 hours the battery shall have been 100% charged. But I can see the weather is not so good. It's somehow gloomy. You can see no sun yet. It's gloomy. The weather is not that okay, but we hope it's gonna be there. It's gonna be strong in a few hours to come, let's say that. So we are still here together. We're gonna see at least half a day. We'll see how strong it is. But we pray in the evening the battery should be 100% charged, and it will really help us, because before we leave this home, we just want to ensure everything is okay. There is power in this home. It's a very beautiful home, guys. It's a very beautiful home. Very beautiful, very cool. So the team is busy up there. You can see them. Solar power in the village. There should be light all over. Don't just stay in the dark because there is no Kenya Power. No, life must move on. Life must move on, because with Kenya Power, you might be disappointed in one way or the other, but with solar, no disappointment. There we go, guys. The sun is there. The sun is coming, and that's our happiness. You can see it's coming. It's coming. It's my prayer. We need that sun, like now. Let's wait and see. The team is busy on top of the roof, guys. You can see they're placing the panels. I'm very far. I'm down. Can't use that ladder. I'm afraid. But I hope you don't see what they are busy. They are up there. Yeah, you can see the sun is there now. The sun is there. We're just praying so that it can be stronger. The weather is not good today, as I said before. looks gloomy, but just hope it's gonna be well. The sun gonna be strong, just to charge our battery up to 100% or even 80%. We are good to go. We want to leave this home powered. We want to leave this home powered, guys. There have been blackouts from March, April, May, June, July, August. We are in another 6 good months in blackout. So we're gonna power the home. No more blackout. That is good news to them and to us as a company. It's gonna be a good news. So there we go. Men at work. Wow, Mpilo is waving to us. I'm gonna show you guys this home. It has apart from lighting the home, they're gonna use the power to pump water from the river to their dairy farm. They have a dairy farm, guys. I'm gonna take you through there. They have a very big dairy farm with very big cows. I've never seen those type of cows before. It's my first time to see them. I'm gonna take you through because they are using big machines there to cut the cow's food. So they're gonna use this power to do all the activities because there is no Kenya power in this area. Oh, that one is a very good news to them. Everything is possible with Kenya power.
So the panels are installed already, as you can see. They've been properly installed. Right accessories, the end clamps, the mid clamps, and all the panels are up, the 4 of them. So this has taken us around 1 hour, and we are done with the roof. So we are almost leaving the roof to go and continue doing our configurations inside the house. So this is the project is almost halfway done. The client in Bondo. So looking forward to the next client. And as you can see, as we said before, the panels are 8 feet tall, 8.3 feet tall. They're quite big, huge, 625 watts. That's quite a huge generation. Very sufficient for client who wants his charging to be done as fast as possible. So like right now it would be charging at almost optimum or maximum rate. So that is done here on the roof. The good lady will continue the processes downstairs as we ensure that the client is completely off the grid. Yes. This vanet is where
Guys, the team are almost finishing on top of the roof. You can see all our panels are there. You've been shown, you've seen them. And now we are going to control room now to connect the battery and the inverter now. Be careful. Now the panels are ready, aligned on top of the roof. We have 4 panels, guys, each 625 watts. very huge, very huge. Gonna collect the heat, and the sun is good. You can see it's getting hot and hot. This home has been in blackout for 6 good months. From March, guys, there is no light in this home. There is no Kenya power in this home, so they decided to do solar power. They decided to go solar power is the way. No more Kenya power. There we go. Let's go to the control room and connect our wires. Wait for the battery to charge and see. You can see now mounted our battery and inverter. Now connecting our cables.
Kila kelobi. Battery terminals.
Bite.
Kako no sebiro tai? Kako emana odo no bite.
We are competing with weather. We just want our battery to start charging as early as now because the weather is not so good. So the earlier we do it, the better.
So we're done with the terminals. We'll cover them. So good to go.
We are good to go. Our battery and inverter are up now.
So the next thing is powering the inverter.
Yep. Up and running. There we go, guys. Our inverter is fully connected. Our battery is charging and is starting at 44%. It's 44%, guys. It's up and running. Wow. Yes, they're waiting for the time because they always want them with the time. Like they start cutting the feeds of the napier grass at exactly 1:30. We are at 1:15, remaining 15, and they do it for like 1 hour. So I'm gonna show you later when they start to do the job. There we go. I'm still showing you around. Like just see, a very huge compound. I'm told the only female cows are kept this side. Female cows are kept this side, and the male cows are kept on the other side. This is where you disinfect after, if you want to get in. Let me show you the male cows now. the male cows. This is what they used to carry their milk to the dairy board. We call it tuk. Yeah, guys. So see, these are the male now. The bulls. You can see how huge it is. Hi, how are you? Very huge indeed. Just want to show you the male are kept. These are male. See them? This one is not too big. Can see them? They're kept separate. They're only brought together when the time for mating comes. But most of the time they are kept separate. That is where they stay until their services is needed, guys. Yeah. So we are done installing the solar. The engineers are still figuring things out around because they don't have Kenya Power for the last 6 months. They've been in blackout. They've been in blackout for 6 months. 6 months. Just show the panels. This is their home. This is what they used before. This is the generator they've been using, and I'm telling you, it's really consuming fuel. So it's good news to them that it's now solar power in the home. It's now, guys, solar power, pure solar power. It's gonna run the home. The home is gonna light tonight. Let me just show you the panel. On top of the roof. I don't know whether you can see them. Sorry. Can you see them, guys? Yeah. The panels are there on top of the roof. Yeah, and we have 4 panels. We have 4 panels, guys. We're gonna start. If someone is interested to install solar in their home, in their place of work, you are kindly invited to contact us at the comment section, or I'm gonna give the number. You can reach us through WhatsApp. That is +254 722 626 335 +254 722 626 335. That is our WhatsApp number, guys. You can reach us, you can reach out to us day or night. Don't be scared of the time, any time of the day. So as you can see, we have solar panels. We have 4 panels up there on top of the roof, and one panel is 625 watts. You can imagine, one panel is very huge, 625 watts, and therefore, so with the time, if the customer is interested or the client is interested, can add more panels depending on the load. Depending on the load, this is the inverter, this is the battery is charging. let's see, it has charged to 100%, guys. 100%. And right now we are at around 1:30. Half a day it has gone to 100%. And the solar power will be running this fridge. We have the microwave, we have the lights here, the bulbs, the microwave, the TV is there, and other appliances in this house. We have that is the system, you can see. So someone can start small. Actually, you can start with a home. You can start with 2 panels, 3 panels, 4 panels. Our client started at 4 panels. And if you have a big home, you have many things you want the solar to support, you can go as far as starting with 10 panels. That is upon you to decide how much do you have, how do you want to start it, how many panels do you want to start it, and how many batteries do you want to start it. The customer has just started with 1 battery, inverter, 4 panels. And another good news from our company is that we can agree, if you don't have the 100% capital to start to install, we can allow an installment of, we can do it in installment, but we have to start. First installment must be 50% or 60% upon agreement on how you are going to pay the balances, or how months do you want to clear the arrears. You see, it's upon agreement. So don't be scared to start this, because with the Kenya Power can disappoint you. This is a village. There is no poles, there is no, like, interior. Many people are really suffering with blackouts because they don't have a solution, they don't have an idea of solar. Bring this to their where, bring this to their notice, they can do it. So guys, like my video, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Right, it's a very beautiful village, Bondo, Kenya.